Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today in this video we are going to learn contractions. So what does contraction means? Contraction is a process of becoming smaller, or in English we can say that contractions are a words made by shortening and combining two words using an apostrophe. यानी कि contractions ऐसे दो words होते हैं जिनको हम combine करके उनको short form में लिखते हैं so that हमारा time भी save हो सके और हम उनको as a short form use कर सकें. Now let's look at some examples of contractions. I am, I apostrophe am. I have, I apostrophe ve. I will, I apostrophe double l. I would, I apostrophe d. I had, I apostrophe d. We will, we apostrophe double l. We would, we apostrophe d. We had, we apostrophe d again. It has, it apostrophe s, and for it is we also use the same contraction it apostrophe s. So you see that these are all the contraction examples. Like जैसे दो words हैं I am, उनको हमने short form में लिखने के लिए हमने क्या use किया है apostrophe, like I apostrophe m, और हमने उनको as a short form में लिख दिया है so that our time could be saved और हम उनको as a short form use कर सकें. So let's look at some more examples of contractions. It will, it apostrophe double l. You are, you apostrophe re. You have, you apostrophe ve. You will, you apostrophe double l. You had, you apostrophe d. You would, you apostrophe d. They are, they apostrophe re. They have, they apostrophe ve. They will, they apostrophe double l. There is, that apostrophe s, and for would not we can say would n, and then there is apostrophe and then there is a t at the end, so we can also call it wouldn't. So these are some of the contraction examples that I have presented you here. There are a lot more examples of contractions. So basically what are contractions? Contractions ऐसे words होते हैं यानी कि दो ऐसे कोई भी words जिनको हम combine करके उनको as a short form use कर सकते हैं so that our meaning could be clear. और हम अगर हमने किसी sentence को या किसी word को short form में लिखना है तो हम उन दो words को combine करके as a short form use कर सकते हैं. So what does contractions means? Contraction means to become smaller. So if you understand what are contractions, then do give my video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.